Secret baking soda tips few people know about. 1. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda to your shampoo and mix well. Wash your hair as usual, and in just a few days, you'll notice how dandruff and lice disappear. Say goodbye to itching. 2. With daily use, toothbrushes accumulate bacteria. To sanitize, dissolve a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and soak the brush for 15 minutes. It'll be as good as new. 3. Bring dull clothes back to life and soften rough fabrics by adding a tablespoon of baking soda for every 5 tablespoons of detergent in your wash. Your clothes will look vibrant and fresh. 4. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with half a tablespoon of sugar in a container. Place this mixture in areas where cockroaches are active, and within a few days, they'll be gone. 5. After chopping garlic or onions, rub a tablespoon of baking soda on your damp hands for about 2 minutes. The odor will vanish instantly. 6. If you have dark underarms or sensitivity to regular deodorants, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a little water to form a paste. Apply it to the underarm area for 30 seconds, then rinse well. Use this for several days and watch them gradually lighten.